We welcome you all in behalf of Ethiopian Airlines. Well, of course, as you all know, what's the main agenda we are looking for? Well, thank you so much for taking the time out from your busy schedules, coming down and marking this spectacular gathering with the glory of your presence. Well, I must say, I feel so honored and so privileged to be in a space filled with some of the finest leaders of the airlines. The trailblazers, the trendsetters, the go-getters, the groundbreakers, in short, the movers and shakers of Ethiopian Airlines. Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be Hyderabad's first ever direct gateway to Africa. Well, of course, Hyderabad is not really very new, with the airlines, with Africa. But if we talk about the numbers, we started this journey back in those times to be the greatest game changers when we talk about airlines. It's not just the business or the routine, but something which is more than that. Ladies and gentlemen, today we also have our leadership team in here, our dignitaries. Most of them have literally flown the skies and crossed the seas to be a part of this event. I would like to start by calling on to the forum side, Mrs. Sinead Neguse. A very warm welcome, madam. She's the Traffic and Sales Manager, Hyderabad. The lady comes with more than 29 years of experience, the service and handling various roles, which include ranging from airport operations, customer services, and sales. Well, recently, she moved to Hyderabad to take the position for Traffic and Sales Manager. A very warm and hearty welcome, madam. With this, I request to kindly join us. Bezawet Teso, Area Manager, India, to kindly come and join us on stage. Someone who's extremely picky and special for us. Please welcome on stage Dr. Subhash Goyal. Mrs. Tigis Eteshu is in marketing, EMI Gulf and Asia. Thank you so very much, ma'am, for being here with us. Experience when we talk about the airlines, more than 30 plus, ladies and gentlemen. He began his journey back in the year 1995 and has held several key leadership roles across global operations. The director and CEO to kindly join us on stage and honor all of our leaders with the token of gratitude, with the token of honor, with the token of love from our side, and of course the token of...
We welcome you once again. Let me just introduce you with our regional director, India and the subcontinent, Mrs. Bezawit, to give us a brief presentation on Ethiopian Airlines performance. Thank you.
Been waiting for Hyderabad for long, so it's a big milestone for Ethiopian Airlines, which makes it the 5th gateway for passenger networking and the 6th gateway for our cargo. So it's a great achievement for us, and it's a pleasure to stand in front of you. I'll just take how many passengers so far we have transported, just to give a highlight. So 17.9 million passengers in the year 23-24, which is a great achievement for us. And for cargo as well, we've managed to do 74,000 tons of cargo to uplift 23-24 year as well. For revenue, we have achieved $7 billion, which is again an extraordinary achievement for us. Current fleet, the number of fleets we have is 145 plus, and we have 100 more we're expecting to receive, which is again something we are eager to have because we are stretching our wings, as you can see. Maintaining Addis as a hub. We are expanding our hubs into other African countries. So Addis being our main hub, we also have a hub in Lomé, Togo, Lilongwe, Lusaka, and Kinshasa. All these places, we consider them as our hubs as well. Of course, as you may already be aware, we have a very passenger in the cargo side equally. So we have 70 plus freighter destinations as well. Currently, we're having 19,000 employees who made this happen. And the ownership is 100% owned by Ethiopian government. So it's a government-owned entity. We have plus 3,000 weekly flights. So just to show you how the milestones that we have been taking.
Very good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it's already explained by my colleague Beza about Ethiopian Airlines and the short video. I just simply add some words as inaugural of Hyderabad flight. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed member of the media and distinguished guests, good morning and good afternoon and welcome. Despite the fact that this is a special event to celebrate a significant milestone in the aviation landscape between Ethiopia Airlines and the Republic of India, our hearts are heavily as India mourns the devastating incident of Air India flight number AI-171. Our thoughts and prayer go out to the family and loved ones of the dearly departed. Today, as we mark the inauguration of Ethiopian Airlines flight service to Hyderabad, the vibrant heart of the historic nation of India, I would like to express my heartful gratefulness and on behalf of myself and Ethiopian Airlines to all of you for being part of this vital occasion. It is with great pleasure and a sense of profound gratitude that we welcome Hyderabad today to our vast network. Ethiopian Airlines, a long-standing history with India, while opening the new route, we are proud to reaffirm our dedication to serve India and the region, seamlessly linking passengers traveling to and from Hyderabad through our hub in Addis Ababa, connecting to over 140 destinations worldwide. Today's flight commencement is more than just opening doors for travel. It is a pledge to facilitate social and economic growth, enhance tourism opportunity, foster cultural exchange, and connect communities. Thank you for your attention and support as we take off towards new horizon, new chapter of connectivity and collaboration and growth. Now, I would be happy to answer your question while it's raised during the meeting. Thank you so much. For the media and all colleagues here, I think Ethiopian Airlines is operating new destination to Hyderabad starting from yesterday, and this new route is very important for Ethiopian Airlines as well as for our customers. For Ethiopian Airlines, it's an additional frequency, an additional route in our system, and this is part of our growth. And for the customer, it is making convenience for our customers to fly from Hyderabad directly instead of via other destinations within India. So this helps for our customers to make their journey very short and reach at destination at their convenient time. And I would like also, this also helps for the people especially in Africa, to use as a medical tourism to Hyderabad, because Hyderabad is also one of our destinations to use for medical tourism. So this helps for our customers to come directly to Hyderabad instead of operating or traveling via Delhi or Dubai or other routes. A third one is also, this route is also very important for tourism as well. So Indians, they can travel directly to Ethiopia and beyond to visit Africa, to visit Ethiopia especially, and as a tourism package and as a stopover package as well. Stopover package means, yeah.
Opening offers.
Do you have any offers to attract the customers?
Sorry?
Do you have any special offers to attract the customers?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we have a package, a tourism package, because it's a package for tourists, for a tourism package to the different parts of Africa, even to the Latin America and Europe as well, and within Ethiopia as well. So we have an offer. Thank you so much.